This is final consonant blend LT. Sound that L makes, L, L. And what sound does T make? T, T. Good job. They're final consonant blends because they're at the end of words. You ready? Let's tap and stretch this new word. Belt. Tap and stretch it again. Belt. Good. Say it fast. Belt. Say it fast. Belt. Good job. That's belt. Let's change out our first consonant and see what our new word is. Tap and stretch. Felt. Tap and stretch again. Felt. Say it fast like a word. Felt. Say it fast. Felt. Good job. All right, let's tap and stretch our new word. Melt. Tap and stretch it again. Melt. Say it fast. Melt. Say it fast. Melt. Yes, melt. I like to melt my cheese in the microwave. All right, let's. Okay, let's tap and stretch our new word. Tilt. Tap and stretch again. Tilt. Say it fast. Tilt. Say it fast. Tilt. Yeah, don't tilt the table like that. Everything will fall off. Good job. Okay, let's tap and stretch our new word. Colt. Tap and stretch again. Colt. Let's say it fast. Cult. Say it fast. Cult. Yeah, that word is cult. Like there's some groups of people and we would call them a cult. That is final consonant blend LT. Good job.